are you talking about?
These properties, all of them, both the farm, everywhere.
This is our father's house.
When I built this house, you were still in the womb of time. What properties are you talking about?
Well, uncle, share these properties or I will burn down this house.
Yeah.
Come my house. Go and look for your father. You bastards to share his
Uncle, we
properties.
are not bastards. Share these properties.
You want to burn? You want to burn my house?
Uncle, leave my sister.
You! Were you trying to bite me? Were you trying to bite me?
Leave me up. Uncle, burn down this house. I'll burn this house. No.
You want to burn which house?
I'll burn you.
Come on.
I'll burn you.
Burn!
You don't kill him. Oh no, he just lie down and sleep.
Uncle? What happened? Uncle?
You have killed him.
Who killed him? Are you not the one that hit him?
No, are you not the one that carry food?
Did the friend touch him? Stop now, Jackie. I pushed him, Kwa. How can my strength push him?
How can my own strength
touch him? Stop that rubbish.
Uncle?
Uncle, this should be outside. Uncle, this guy buried my life. What is the anti-fellow? Let my people go. What is the anti-fellow? Let my people go. Go down to easy. Anti-fellow. Hello, let my people go. Go down, let my people go. Let my people go. Go down to easy. Anti-fellow. Let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go. Go down to easy. Anti-fellow. Let my people go.
But that teacher that flog us. Hey, it's true. We would try let us do something. Yeah. Let's go hide. Let's hide this.
Nonsense. You get my floggers. Floggers, you know who will be? I don't know. Because of school fees. School fees are how much? School fees, oh, how much? Even afford.
What have I done to deserve this?
What have you done? What have you done? You don't know what you have done, Abi. Nonsense. You not flog us. In fact, if you talk again now, I'll fire you now. I hit your head.
So you both are this dangerous?
Yes. Yes. When you were flogging us, you don't know that we are dangerous. In fact, we are very diabolical. Avoid us. Shoot again. Go. Why did you not run? Nonsense. Oh, Christmas. Look, I share my Christmas. Oh, Banza. This is scared of you. You should come again now. At least I am meant to go to your. Yes, I agree with that. Let's go and let our people go. Let's go and let our people go. No da, so easy.
Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They know the preacher of love. They like trouble.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I was actually on my way to your house.
To my house?
Yes, ma.
Hope all is well.
All is not well, oh. It's your children. They stoned me catapult when I was coming back from school this evening.
Hey.
Just because I flogged them in school.
Hey. Auntie Biko, sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Hope they did not wound you.
I was not wounded, but it hurts.
Hi. Sorry, Biko. I will tell their father and their father will caution them. It won't happen again. You know, it won't happen again.
Please, you really need to caution those children. They are causing havoc in school.
Auntie Biko, just be with them, Biko. Oh, sorry. But I will talk to their father. Oh, he will caution them.
Thank you, ma.
Sorry, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, now, these children will not put me in trouble.
God. What kind of human being will give birth to this bunch of troubles and call them children? Eh? One day, one trouble. One day, one trouble. If Afuma were to be alive, she would have told me where she got these children from. I don't understand. If not for civilization, I would have sold them into slavery and used the proceeds to bet in playing draft. Eh? What kind of problem is this? Anyway, they will come and meet me in this house. Hey, come here. Where do you think you are going to? Into my house. They told them fire. This your mouth you used to greet good afternoon. What good thing ever comes from you? Eh?
What happened?
What happened? You don't know what happened. Why did you go and fight your teacher? No, tell me why did you fight your mistress?
Uncle, you are the cause now. You not give us our school fees. So she flogged us and injured us. We have to react.
And we have been telling you since, but you paid deaf ears.
May thunder fire this your mouth for you to speak this rubbish. Did you make money for me? Eh? All the school fees have been paying. What is the result? You kept on failing, repeating classes. Now let me tell you. Whatever the outcome is from this beating you beat your mistress, whatever the school decides to do, I wash my hands off it. You will pay with your heads.
Uncle, it's because the teachers, they hate us. That's why they keep failing us. Yes, so we repeat class.
And Uncle Sevi.
Why would they hate you? Why? Now get out of my sight.
Our school bags are coming.
You are still talking. Get out of my stone, this thing. I don't fear. Stop. Get out from there. Look at his face. An anopheles mosquito that has sucked so much blood. Hey, these children, they will not kill me. Oh. They will not kill me.
Maggie, now what did I do when you go give me this car slap now?
Why will you hold me like that?
But I be saying me and you na party now.
What were you thinking? Oh, because I laughed and played with you yesterday. You now saw it as an advantage to misbehave. Respect yourself and don't repeat this again. Do I look like your kind? Don't you know there are lots of sizes of shoes?
So shoe don't they get size for our matabi? Even if shoe go get size for this house, now you be size of my own when I see. Now that guy picking, now I want my go meet. You be maid.
Okay.
I be gatekeeper. Now me and you supposed to they match together. You go soft. The can't slap you give me.
You're very stupid. Leave my sight. Leave my sight or I'm going to scream.
Maggie, wait now. Wait.
And you know what will happen.
This thing you do no good though. No good. Now this canteen, they hear rape everywhere. Now this canteen they cause some.
What did you say? I didn't hear you well. What did you say?
Maggie, see You know make sense say me and you did this compound together. Small palliative will for the share. Nobody go hear am. You go just dey deny me. You know make sense so.
Did you hear the horn at the gate?
I hear am, but we will for solve this thing first now. I love you.
Come on, go and open the gate.
Maggie, I go open now. We first solve this thing now. I love you. Even though he slapped me, I don't care. I love you.
Get out from this place. Go and open the gate, my friend. Didn't you hear the sound on the
What
gate?
you concern gate and love where they talk from here now?
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my...
Madam!
Me and you, they will come catch here. See his two left legs. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for
I be the purge. Now I don't go toilet, my go cook and come out.
You're a big fool. Were you employed here to come have a running stomach? Are you mad? You always have one silly excuse or the other, all the time. Are you mad? You were employed to come discharge your duties with all diligence. Always give him... In fact, I don't care what happens to you. If you like, bleed to death. Okay, what's stop you from having Maggie come stand in for you until you're out? This is an organized house, a residential place. In fact, this is not a slum. Don't bring that your slum life into this place. And let it not repeat itself again, because I will skin you to death. I will kill... In fact, I will kill you. Idiot. Kept me there honking like a mad woman.
I'm not going to try him again.
What's it? Thank you. What's it?
Go! Yeah, man.
Anything yet. Next time it will be 2x4. No, or better still, what we call la raclette.
What is the situation this time, Doctor?
Chief, I know you can't stand that. So I just have to give it to you right away. Chief, are you hearing me? You should start making preparations.
Is it as bad as that?
Even worse. Are you hearing me? You are supposed to have died about a month ago.
Dr. Moses, I will tell you that death is afraid of people like me.
Well, that might be so, Chief. But see, it doesn't change the fact that you have less than a month to live.
That's exactly what you told me 2 months ago, but I'm still here.
Chief, even if 2 months after, that is what I will still do. I'll come back on Monday to check on you. That is if you are still alive.
Hey, I will be alive, Dr. Moses. You should be talking about yourself. If you still be alive to come and check me.
Chief, I don't wish you dead. I would prefer you alive, but you can still bet on that.
Please, Dr. Moses, pass me my phone.
Good luck, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh yes, I know.
Very nice.
There you go. No.
Thank you. Again.
Really? Mary! Raymond! What's going on here? What are you doing, my kid sister?
What? Your kid sister?
Of course, she is. Besides, you told me you will not be going out today, so what are you doing here?
Yeah,
Cynthia, what is it? What's the problem? Why are you shouting?
Will you shut up, you disgusting boyfriend snatcher? Mimi, why are you like this? Why do you love everything I love? Why do you want to have everything I have? You stupid bitch.
Listen, Sissy, I will not have you call me names in public. Don't try it, Sissy. You're not stupid. Don't try it.
No.
Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Stop! Are you stupid?
Wait, you know what?
Are you mad?
Let's not do this.
Let's not do this. You don't try this again. Don't try it ever in your life. Don't try. Cynthia, don't try. Don't try me. You're my elder sister, so respect yourself. Respect yourself. Cynthia, respect yourself. Respect in public. In public. Cynthia, you. I will kill you. I will kill you. Cynthia.
They not be preacher of love. They like trouble. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them. They not be preacher of love. Which kind children be this? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them.
Who's that? He's coming!
Where's he?
See. Is it not Bono Kung Fo's son?
Where is he?
He went to meet me.
But I can't see him now.
Okay, maybe he has gone back.
Oh, nobody's chasing you.
Hey.
Yes.
Thanks. Ligia, não sei, não go. Amara, Ligia. That's 2000. I was touching to that one, but I didn't get to bring it. But anyway, now we money na money. What's this? I go get this change. You want to change?
Phone calls right now. Leave me alone.
Ma, it's Inspector Yemi that is calling.
When I call you, answer.
Hello? Hello, Yemi? My daughters? Where?
At the restaurant, bro. I have never been in such a mess in my life. I already told Cynthia that I wasn't going out today. How could I have known these two were sisters? None of them ever mentioned it to me.
Listen, man. All hope is not lost. I still believe we can work out something. Trust me.
How?
We have brains, and God created brains for us to think, okay? Considering the fact that she's a billionaire's daughter, you know all what we stand to gain in this, so giving up right now is not an option.
I need a drink, bro. I need to ease off.
Oh. I have no problem with that, provided we strategize and plan ahead.
Leave my man alone for me! Mimi, I am talking to you. Leave my man here. You have no shame. You have no shame. You have no shame. You cannot shame the shameless. Leave my man alone. He loves me. I will not. Leave my man alone. Leave him alone. This guy don't love you. Stop it. I said stop it. What is going on? This small girl. I will marry before you. What is wrong with you two? Hey! Has he gotten to this extent? Mommy, Cynthia! I said shut up! Fighting before even the security man? People hearing your voices in this house? Embarrassing this family at this point in our lives? You fighting over a boy? Who is this boy? Who is his father? Mom, I said shut up! I said just stop. Stop! What is wrong with you two? No, what kind of shame are you bringing to our family at this point? Your father is there battling with his life and needs all the care and love he can get from us. And here you are fighting over a boy. Oh, this is a shame! This is disgusting! What is this? Graduates of Harvard? What kind of character are you exhibiting for people to see? Are we known like this? Are we known for this? I don't blame you too. It's because your father provides you with everything you need. Because your mates out there cannot even see half of the comfort you see. Can you just leave me and go to your rooms? Mommy, go! I said shut!
Maggie, why you be say Madam Cynthia? Now quarrel be her food day and night, and she know that allow that younger one may breathe her to any small thing. Bam, bam, bam. Go dey shout like a dog wey born one. Upon as her back big, now so her wahala big.
Stop being silly. Anyway, I believe Mimi must have taken enough from her and she couldn't stand it anymore. So she had to stand her ground and face her back.
Yes, now. Even go to get where they go beat and reach for wall like he go change her for who they beat am. Maybe she stand for her ground. I beg, the thing don't do too much. She thinks say all her power this thing saifwa.
Oui, regarder les grosses fesses des femmes, c'est tout ce que tu sais faire. Idiot.
Now me they talk to Abi, girl who you they talk to?
I'm talking to myself. You, one day this your mouth, this your lousy mouth will land you into trouble.
See, all these things where they happen here, you not supposed to concern me and you. Just dey your lane for this house, make me dey my lane. Now employ they employ me. All these things, you know, concern me. If you like, they speak whatever you like, you know, concern me.
Well done,
if they don't start fight, just go speak that language for them.
You spoke well now. Right now, you just said what you're supposed to say. Mind your business. You're the one who is not minding your business here.
I blame you. Because say I get time constant they discuss with you. I supposed to talk with my fellow men. I can't they gossip with woman. I beg it. Quarrel volume 2. Did you hear that voice? Cynthia's voice high past this time.
Nyala.
Let me go and witness.
Ewu Gambia, see this one. Don't mind your business. I'm a poor.
I know say na you go be. Maggie, why you be say every time you go the waka goes to waka? You go the waka goes to waka. See why you make my heart fly go now. Small thing for don't cross border.
Just look at you. Claiming to be a man. Man my foot.
Where you come concern man for this matter? Okay, man na man. A man go always be man. Try me for bed. If I no bend this your waist, knock you twins, or even make and three. Ever, knock you twins, or even knock you three.
Ta, shut up. That is all you know how to do. This.
I make that they call her manpower now. I make that they call her manpower. But wait to my girl. This life no get head at all. Life no balance. How them oga pikin them go dey this big house? They fight because of a man. Wey be say somebody like me wey dey this house for them since they no even send me. You wey I say man try manage, you dey buga, they carry shoulder for me. Look at you.
Mind your business. Yes, mind your business. And that is your business. At the gate. Stay here before Madam will come and meet you. Rubbish.
As who employ me now, I blame you. They eat free food, they robust. But now wow, Ojebe. Now like this, my destiny will just dey grow. See me, I don't dey old. I did this house, fine boy like me, no pimple. God bless me, please. Give me heavy of ekwe. He give me heavy of ekwe. That year when I did Bini, no girl when I knock, when they call me chairman. Now they go they fight for this house because of a man. Because they never try me. Make they know say I be small body but big engine. Heavy duty. They hear me now. Oh no, this is my mouth.
Can you imagine what my younger sister did? Dragging my own boyfriend with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I'm serious. Yes. I almost strangled her today. Yes, I almost strangled her. I saw her with my man. It's not small something, no. And then we go back to the house again. She started making trouble. But I told her to stay away from my parts. I told her. Because the next time she tries that, I will kill her with my own hands.
You do no such thing. But do you really need to go that far? Causing a scene in public. It doesn't really suit your personality. For God's sake, this girl in question is your younger sister, your kid sister.
She is
Why
my
not
kid
talk to her?
sister. She is my kid sister, like you said. That is the reason she has to stay away from my path. I mean, she stole my man away from me. Like it's not going to happen now. It's not going to happen. She should go and look for her own man. Raymond is my man.
Why not talk to your man instead?
Well, he's a man. My sister was the one that was just all over him. Can you imagine? She should go and look for her own man and leave my Raymond for me.
So you want to strangle your sister because of a man? You want to kill your sister because of a man?
I have told her to stay away from me in this house, outside this house. The next time she tries it, I will make sure I kill her with my own hands. Just get ready for a funeral.
You will do no such thing. Just try and talk to your sister. You want to kill your sister because of a man?
Yes! She should stay away from me, oh. She should stay away from me.
Imagine what
it's
you're
not
saying.
easy to get a man. So this one that I have, I will not allow Mimi or anybody to steal him away from me. It's not easy.
You want to kill your sister because of Raymond?
Are you on my side or are you... I don't understand.
I'm definitely with you, but that doesn't... What you're saying now doesn't really make sense.
Please.
Going
Olivia.
around beating your sister
Olivia,
in public.
if you're not with me, then you have to leave my house.
What's up, bro? What's up?
They are not taking their calls. I didn't bargain for all of this. This is not just the way I planned this.
Relax, bro. It's just today. Maybe they have other things they are sorting at home.
What if they are still fighting? This is going to make their mom hate me so much. Mimi is just the one I love. She's just the one I want. Cynthia was just because of the visa thing and I just had to play along. I'm not a gold digger, bro. I didn't bargain for all of this.
Relax, Raymond. No one called you a gold digger. Maybe you're just having a white thought. It's normal. But just relax. I told you, one step at a time. We'll sort it out.
Baby, I'm okay. I'm fine. Let me come out so you see me well. I'm fine, my love. I'm okay. I miss you too. So how's work? Man, I'm just here, oh my love. I'm just here missing you like crazy. Like I can't wait to hold you, I can't wait to kiss. Look at you. Oh, you're so crazy. What a man. Okay. You know me now, sexy as always. All for you. No, I'm not going out. I'm just here. Yeah.
stop now. Look at you. Go away, Joe. So, what's up? Yeah, there's this village guy disturbing me, following me all over. Everywhere. You don't trust me again. He's not my spec. Oh my god! I swear. He's so ugly. Ew. Oh. Very ugly. Ugly guy. Yes. You know now, you're my spec 100%. You're so cute. You're so sweet. You're so loving. Oh, I miss you so much, my love, honestly. Yeah. Really. Okay. I can't wait to see you.
Uncle, please now.
You are running! You are running, You are running!
Take it easy on them.
It's alright.
You will follow.
Just remain where you are. Remain where you are, because if you come back here, you will see. Leave them out.
They're just devils. Leave them.
Leave them out. Even that you had the argument with them, we wouldn't have known that they intentionally did that yesterday. Just idiots.
Now you will follow. Don't mind them. Stop.
Hey, it's secret. That yesterday I was shaking.
We are sorry. I'm big now.
Idiots. You don't mind them. You are a woman. You think the kind of capacity you have, I have it. You can hold yourself. I cannot hold myself.
Let me go and rub your way.
You know why he's treating us like this? Because our mother is no more. That's why he's treating us like that.
Even that is wife, I'm thinking that she's good. Now, Uncle has influenced her with that his bad character.
Yeah, I don't know. Rude. I'm hungry. What will we do?
I'm hungry.
I don't know what we'll do.
Let's go and find where we'll find something to eat.
Maybe.
At least we'll plan one or two now. You know how we want things. Now we want things now. I want biscuits. That biscuit that used to be circle. Is inside. Hey, Jack. What is this? What is that thing? My snake! Snake!
They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? Try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Not try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, you don't fear at all.
Where did you get all this from?
Is this your business? Oh, because you and your husband are supposed to give us food. You think we will die? We will not die. Tell her! We will not die. We will live to testify the goodness of the Lord in our life. Amen, Lord. Amen.
Bishop, stop your mouth, Eba. See, I hope you did not steal this thing, because if you do and you are caught, I and my husband will not be involved.
Look at see you. We'll send you from this house. We'll wear you. Wicked uncle and his wicked wife. Chop your food, chop your food, chop your personal food.
You are awake already. How are you?
As you can see, I am not dead. I am still a strong man. I've told you all that death is afraid of people like me.
But my love, we cannot run away from the obvious. It's a reality that is always hitting us on the face.
Let it not worry you so much. I have a 2 beautiful daughter and...
And what?
an enormous empire. My children and you. Anyway, let me inform you. Barrister Charles will be coming to the office today with some documents. So I will want you to assist him in any way he may need your assistance, please.
Sure, I will.
So you may leave now, so that you not miss the schedule.
No problem. Just be strong, okay?
All right.
I'll soon be back.
All right. I'm
Take
waiting
care.
for you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you reject. Now what they go they like to do.
Am I too small for you not to see me and greet me in this village? Eh? Did you know that I am your elder? Eh?
Which elder? Shabi I see person. No, no say anybody. No say anybody. Which elder? See, I don't want me to disrespect my door. I don't want to disrespect anybody. So leave me. I've come.
I don't blame you.
How you do?
I don't blame you because your mates are in the school busy reading their books. But you are here gallivanting around. Look at you.
Alright, shut up. Are you not supposed to be married by now? Because you know, you are walking around Nagari. You see? Even which girl we even agree to marry you? Go on, Nejam.
What you know like they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind they go they like to do. Which kind children be this yo? Check out those troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door.
Can you just stop? Just stop it. I love you too. I want to hear it again. Tell me you love me. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I love you too, baby. I love you. Stop it. Okay. When will that be? Tomorrow. I don't know how my tomorrow will be though. But I'll call you. Okay, I don't know how my tomorrow will be, but I'll call you. Okay, love. Can you please stop? You're making me shy. Yes.
You're making me shy. Just stop it.
Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think be careful today. Think about
Jack. Why are you crying? What happened?
Uncle Ateme is a very wicked man. He don't used to give us food at all. If you take food by ourselves, you punish us.
Food? If you take food, he will punish you people.
Yes.
What of your sister?
Me, Rose. Yeah, she's having punishment because she took food for us.
Because of food?
Yes.
Now, what do you want me to give you now?
If you can give me money for food, I will appreciate it. Don't give me food though. Give me money for food.
Let me go and buy food for you. For this.
No, don't worry. I'm a very nice man. So I'm a very nice boy. You can give me money.
If I give you money now, you'll be okay.
Yes. Is that all?
This is 1,000 naira.
I'm going to go to first.
You are fine now, Baba?
Yeah.
Stop crying, stop crying. Just try. It's okay. Now get up. Go and look for something to buy. After that, go home. Stop crying. You understand?
Thank you.
Don't cry. Stop crying. I'll be going.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, no, relax.
Ele go me fez disse com uma. Os que tá ali todo, na quartinho de manhã, quartinho. Nonsense. Nonsense. Ele liguei 1,000 naira. Ele liguei na. Ele go comer nada tinha. Eu me atinge. Os que tá ali com eu nada tinha. Mas atinge.
Wahala day for the side. Everybody want take a loss. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They know be preacher of love. They like trouble, so don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They know be preacher of love. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They know be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, ya be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. The only one Jack and Rose. Troublesome children. Wahala day for the side.
What's that? Hey, come here. What have you done again? So what is it? I've got you. A big fat rat. You see? You see yourself? Good. William, I caught him. That have been stealing my money. I have caught this one, a very big fat rat. You see yourself? So you've been in that. You are not just mosquitoes. You are rats. Look at this one. A big fat rat. This your finger, eh? We will take you to the hospital. We will cut it off.
Holy Ghost fire!
Hey, Holy Ghost fire! Yeah. Do you know Holy Ghost fire?
Why will you steal now? Naibiko, leave him.
How can you ask that question? A thief is a thief. Many days are for the thief, 1 day is for the owner. Good.
Wait.
Pull it! No, we cut it. Cut it down. No. You see?
Family needs to be together.
They must be going through a lot right now. I can't even be there to console my girl. Too bad.
Raymond, one step at a time. Like I told you, everything will fall into place. I mean, you should be happy at this point that the father is no longer alive. I mean, we're getting closer to the main deal.
What is wrong with you, Jamal? Don't you have conscience? They just lost their father and all you could think of is money, money, money.
Oh, come on! We are in this racket for money and not for love. And this is freaking why I introduced you to Mimi. But instead you fell in love with Cynthia because of your visa. Fine and good. I don't have a problem with that. Alright? Alright, but we need to stick to the plan. You don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I need that money.
I fell in love in the process.